Demps. Gail Quatez Demps, 25B706301. Do you have another one, Trooper?
That should be my only one for today, sir.
Have a great day. Thank you.
Awesome. Thank you. You as well, sir.
Mr. Carmen, your name?
Michael A. Carmen, P73824 on behalf of the defendant, Your Honor.
Sir, your name?
DeKel Demps.
I want to read you something, counsel. The defendant needs to this is from the probation director. Defendants needs to report to house arrest services ASAP. They've had at least 2 occasions where there's been an extended strap disconnect with his tether. House arrest has attempted to reach out to him via phone, but they've not been able to reach him. The victim was notified each time the disconnect happens. HADS needs to see him just so that they can check his equipment. They'll determine if it's an equipment issue, or if it was tampered with. They attempted to contact him via phone. We have phone number 313-854-5201. Is that your phone number, sir?
Yes.
Why aren't you calling back house arrest?
I got a call from house arrest Sunday saying that
Why didn't you call them back?
it was later on in the day when I would have been able to get there.
Did you call them yesterday?
No, I didn't talk to them
A
yesterday.
real concern about whether or not there's been a violation of the no contact in the area that you were supposed to be in. So you're going to call them now.
Right.
And Mr. Carmen, you're going to have to referee that. If not, if there's no call, I'm going to have a bond violation hearing. And if I find out that he's been within the zone that I told him not to be, he's going to have a big problem. You don't get to ignore those places, sir. And our staff called you too, I was told. So I don't know what you're doing. So we're going to figure this out right now. Where are you at, sir?
I'm at a Speedway in Howell, Michigan. I'm delivering gas. I'm at work.
Okay, you're not going to be on Zoom anymore. You're going to be here in person. Do we understand one another?
Yes.
Do we understand one another?
Yes.
I think I need to take care of this now. Why are we setting the exam 3 weeks out, Mr. Carmen?
Your Honor, I asked the prosecutor again if we can keep it for next week. That's fine.
I need to address this issue here. I'm concerned right now. And I don't know quite how to address it because your client thinks he doesn't have to return tether call companies. And I have this very, very bad feeling in my stomach that he's violating the no contact provision. And if he's violating the no contact provision, he better have a lot of money with him. Okay? So we're going to figure this out. I'm going to let you go into a breakout room and talk with him right now. And I'm going to send him then at a minimum over to house arrest, which he will go to right now. I don't care if he has to quit his job, lose his job. He didn't call him back. He should have called him back. He chooses not to call him back. And for whatever reason, he has not taken the court seriously. You're going to take me seriously, right, Mr. Demps?
Yes.
You think I'm a joke of any kind, do you, sir?
No.
Call the tether company. You're going over there now. You're going to house arrest right now. So you better call your employer, and I don't want to hear my employer won't let me off. Do you understand what I told you?
Yes.
You ignored our calls and you ignored a call from house arrest on Sunday. This is not a game. You want to play a game? Go to Comerica Park.
Your
Do we
Honor,
understand one another? Do we understand one another?
Yes.
Good. He's going to house arrest right now. Exam to remain for September 16th at 10:30 in the morning. Now, call in Beth. Okay. How far are you from house arrest roughly right now, Mr. Demps?
I'm pretty far. I think I'm about an hour and a half away. I'm in Howell, Michigan. I believe it's in Warren, Michigan.
Mm-hmm.
And I did speak with house arrest on Sunday. I spoke with them.
You committed on dumps.
Let me call in Miss Wiles.
Apparently the detective wanted to be in on this too. She just sent me a text, so I just admitted her.
Who's the detective on this? Detective Tulaj, your name?
She's out there.
Ms. Wiles, your name?
Elizabeth Probation, Your Honor.
Detective Tulaj, your name?
Good morning, Honor. Detective Crystal Tulad, Brownstown Police Department.
So he says he called Sunday. I didn't know that he got a hold of them. He said now that he got a hold of them after I talked to him about not getting a hold of us. Didn't we call?
Yes, and my last message from House Arrest Services was yesterday with a strap disconnect, and again, he did not contact them back, which is why I wanted to confirm his.
We're gonna have a bond violation hearing right now.
Your Honor, can you give him a chance to call him and we can go in the
No,
breakout room
He's
together?
coming over to the courthouse right now. He's coming over to the courthouse, and I don't know how they're gonna check it and see if it's incidental or not. But I've heard enough. I've got concerns here. I don't go for this nonsense. People violating court orders. You're coming here right now, Mr. Demps. Do we understand one another?
Yes.
Good. Detective, did you have something you needed to say on this?
No, Your Honor, I was just present for the probable cause conference to determine whether or not, or what the new dates would be if he did
Tell-
not decide to waive the exam.
You're telling me, well, they're sticking with the 16th apparently. Mr. Kerman, what happened?
Okay.
Yeah, I'm got a picture of you on there. I need you on there.
Mayor.
All right. I don't know why. Something is really tugging at me here. I'm not satisfied right now. I want you to have house arrest. Ready?
Yep.
And you can tune back in for a call at 11 o'clock, detective. He's gonna drive over here, Mr. Demps is right now. Okay, and then we'll take care of it. Thank you very much.
Mr. Demps, the good phone number for you ends in 5201, right?
Yes.
Okay, I'll give you a call.
Okay. So I leave the Zoom or
Yeah, you can leave the Zoom. You're driving over the building here.
okay.
Nicholas J. Horn, 25, thank you. I'll be in touch, Ms. Wiles.
Yeah,
5T704. Stay seated.
Court is back in session.
All right. People against. DeKale, Cortez, Demps, 25B, 706-301FY. I'm gonna need the prosecutor on this one.
Michael A. Carmen, T7 Reed, report on behalf of the county.
Was this Mr. Mohammed?
This is, or is it
Okay,
Caller.
I'm gonna need you in here, sir. Your name?
Kill dumps.
Mr. Turner, your name?
Matthew Turner.
Detective Tulas, your name?
Okay.
Good morning, Your Honor. Detective Crystal Tulad, Brownstown Police Department.
Sorry. So I'm gonna first find out from you, Mr. Turner, what you can tell me. Do you have personal knowledge of the facts and circumstances of this case? To wit, with respect to the tether that was placed on Mr. Demps?
Yes.
I'm going to ask you to raise your right hand, please. Do you solemnly swear or affirm under penalties of perjury that the testimony you will give in these proceedings will be the whole true self you God?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. Your name?
Good morning, Your Honor.
So we've been waiting for Mr. Demps for quite some time. I was told, and I'm going to read you the email or memo. Defendant needs to report to house arrest as soon as possible. They've had it at least two occasions where there's been an extended strap disconnect with his tether. House arrest has attempted to reach out to him via phone, but they've not been able to reach him. The victim was notified each time the disconnect happens. Needs to, in house arrest, needs to see him so they can check his equipment. They'll determine if it's an equipment issue or if it was tampered with. They attempted to contact him via phone. And then they list the phone number. Are you able to confirm that this is still his number? I did confirm that. I was told by, come on up, Ms. Wilds, that that house arrest had contacted him Sunday. The defendant acknowledged that. He said that he, I believe, did or did not. I don't remember if he said he contacted him. Ms. Wilds, your name?
Elizabeth Probation, Your Honor.
I don't think he contacted them. Did he contact you guys, Mr. Turner?
The only time he contacted us was Sunday after the initial missed call. We called him about the strap tamper. He did not answer at that time. He did call back and was advised to come in on Monday, September 8th to get that looked at. He acknowledged that he would be here and he did not come yesterday.
But do you have any questions of him, counsel? Of this, Mr. Turner? Yeah,
Mr. Turner, the
house arrest. He's the Tether company.
one question I have is, was he around the complainant's address?
Can you tell us where that tether indicated that the defendant was? It was actually disconnected, right? I think I can answer that. So you don't know, correct?
I apologize. With the strap connection, there's two things that have to fail. One is the extended strap disconnect means that there is something that needs to be looked at. It could then turn into this tamper becoming the tether off the leg, which is why we would need to see them as soon as possible for an equipment check. At the time of the tamper, he was at 21871 Stratford Place Boulevard. Looks like an
Stratford
apartment
Place
home.
Let me see here. Stratford Place.
Your Honor, I believe that is his residence or nearby.
That is whose residence?
Mr. Demp's.
I have Mr. Demp's residence as Kings Point Boulevard in Brownsville.
Right, which is within
Residential.
Stratford Place.
That's within Stratford Place, correct?
Yes, Your Honor.
Do you have any questions of Mr. Turner?
Mr. Turner, what time did you talk to my client on Sunday?
I did not speak to your client. One of my coworkers did speak to him at, see, it was, oh, that was Sunday. 1:19 p.m.
Okay, he was told to come in on physically come to house arrest on Monday
Correct.
but not by you, by your coworker.
Correct.
How do you know that?
I have the voice recording from the phone call.
Okay, where you specifically told him to come in physically on Monday.
Correct.
Did she give a specific time?
No, that he had to be here before 7 p.m. and that he should come in the morning first thing.
And did Mr. Demp's acknowledge that?
He did.
And then was there any further communication?
We attempted to reach out to him yesterday at 12:12 p.m. It went to voicemail.
Okay, now, and the situation with this faulty strap, is this a common occurrence?
It is not, but technology does have issues at times.
Okay, now is it possible that with the faulty strap, the tethers, I guess, the functionality could go in and out?
Yes.
Okay, without necessarily involving any tampering on whoever's wearing it, on their part.
Correct, which is why we would need to see him for an equipment check to ensure that he did not tamper with the device.
Okay, now what are the reasons that this could potentially happen with the tether?
The band is made with a fiber optic cable. It could be that, something was blocking that fiber optic connection. Something got bumped to where it did disrupt that fiber optic connection. Or it could have been that he was trying to remove it.
Okay, or could it possibly be also, sir, just ordinary wear and tear on a tether that's been in service for a while?
On the strap, yes.
Thank you.
I'm calling the halt to this. You're to go to house arrest by 2 p.m. today. If you don't do that, I'm going to consider this to be a bond violation. I'm going to give you the benefit of the doubt for the time being. It doesn't sound like anybody can prove that you intentionally caused this disconnect, but as of now, you're going out there today by 2. You don't go today by 2, I'm telling you, I'm going to forfeit your bond, revoke the release, and set a really high cash bond. Do we understand one another?
Yes.
You go to house arrest by 2 p.m. today. I'm scheduling this. It will remain for September 16th. This is the exam at 10:30. However, it might be that if they know, you notify Ms. Wilds of your findings. If it turns out that there was an intentional disconnect, whatever day Mr. Carmen is here this week, we will have a hearing. Okay? To determine whether or not that was intentional.
Thank you, Your Honor.
All right, you understand, sir?
Yes.
Go down the hall, get your notice. And you come back, you go at the house arrest by 2, so you better get going. Good luck. Thank you.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thanks.
Well, thanks.
Thanks, Mr. Turner.